Good morning, students. In this video we can discuss about good morning, students. In this video we can discuss about very simple procedure for construction of Turing machine for some small language. So that is, construct Turing machine to convert from lowercase to uppercase over sigma equals to a comma b. So this is the question. So in this question we can discuss about how to construct Turing machine for converting from lowercase string to uppercase string or lowercase letter to uppercase letter over the string AB. So that means here we consider the input as combination of small a and b's, and the output of that particular Turing machine will be produced uppercase of the string, that is AB. So for example, we consider input as AB, then output is capital A B. In case we consider input as BA, then output is capital BA. In case input as ABA, then the related output is capital ABA. So in this manner. So now we construct Turing machine for this particular one. So here when we read small a, so when we read small a, so it can be converted as capital A and then move right. So that is the transition. At the same way, when we read small b, convert as capital B and then move right. So that's it. Very simple procedure. So that's why. So directly we are constructing Turing machine for this particular language. For example, there is some initial state Q0. So here when we read small a as input, convert as capital A and then move right. At the same way, when we read input as small b, then convert as capital B and then move right. That's it. So after completion of the input, when we read del as input and no conversion, that means del as output and direction or header direction is right, and go to accept, that is nothing but halt. So this is the very simple Turing machine to convert from lowercase letter to uppercase letter. So now we take some example and perform the simulation. So for example, we consider the string w equals to a b b b. So just assume this is the input. So now we can pass this particular input through the Turing machine, then we check whatever the output of that particular Turing machine. So del of q0 comma, our considered input is a b b del. That's it. So comma direction is initially nothing. So from initial state, that is q0, input is a, then what is the transition from q0, input is a, then convert as capital A and direction is right. So that's why going to same state. So going to q0 and then the small a can be converted as capital A and remaining input is small a b b del, and the header direction is right. Next, from current state q0, so now the input is small a. So now the input is small a. So that's why input is a. So from q0, input is a. So convert as capital A and then move right. So that's why this a is also converted as capital A, and remaining input is b b del. So now the input is this one and the direction is right. So now current state is q0, input is b. So from q0, input is b, converted as capital B and then move right. So that's why q0 comma a, this b will be converted as capital B and header will be move right. So that means next input symbol A. Header will be placed here, and remaining input is BB, and end of the tape del, and direction is right. Direction is right. So that's why. So now Q0 input is A, Q0 input is A. So converted as capital A, move right. So that's why Q0 A, B. This small a will be converted as capital A, and header will be moved to right. That means B del, and then direction is right. Next. So now input current state is Q0, input is B. So then convert as capital B and then move right and go to same state Q0 A, B, A. This B will be converted as capital B, and remaining input is B, and move right. So that's why header will be moved to here, and del comma right direction. Next Q0 comma A, B. So here current state is Q0, input is B. So current state is Q0, input is B. So convert as capital B and move right. Convert as capital B and then move right side. So that's why this B will be converted as capital B, and remaining input is del, and then move right side. Next. So Q0 A, B. So here this B will be converted as capital B and move right. So that means header is here. The input A, B. So current state is Q0, and input is end of the input, that is del. So that means external symbol is del, and then go to halt right side, and which is accepted. So accept. So finally what is the output? A, B, B. So whatever the input, Q0 comma small a, B, B. So from initial state, when we pass this particular input through the Turing machine, then the related output is capital A, B, B. So this is the process of, this is the Turing machine for converting from small letters to the capital letters, or lower case to the uppercase. So the same way uppercase to lower case also. So these are the details about how to construct Turing machine for the conversion from lower case to uppercase letters. Thank you.